climbing into the upper 30s. Meteorologist Jenn now with much more on our first forecast.
Hi there, good afternoon. You're right. Sunshine definitely does warm our hearts, and our temperatures will reach right around average this afternoon. But of course, you're going to need to grab your sunglasses and your winter jacket as you're walking in. And good afternoon. I hope your Wednesday is off to a great start. I mean, sky-wise, couldn't have a better view with lots of blue out there. We had a great glimpse of the full moon yesterday evening and then again early this morning. So the sky really putting on a show. Now, as far as temperatures go, we've been talking about this pattern flip, and here it is. Look at our high temperatures over the next several days. The average high 44, and we're falling a couple clicks below that, mainly about 5 degrees. So the cooler air is definitely invading our area. Now, all that you see to the west of us, that is all fizzling out. Not really worried about this whatsoever. What it's going to do is bring in some cloud cover later tonight and into tomorrow morning. So we are nice and dry. We're seeing the sunshine with some high wispy clouds from time to time. Our next system is kind of hanging out in the four corners, plus it's going to link up with another low that's going to hammer the west coast, and this is going to traverse across the country over the next 72 hours, get into our area by the time we get into Friday afternoon, and that's going to be our next system. Of course, with this, we're going to have a difference from north to south. So let's show you here on Futurecast. We've got the sunshine around today. Here comes the cloud cover tonight into tomorrow morning, but we're back to sunshine in the afternoon. So tomorrow we'll start off with clouds, bring back the sunshine in the afternoon to enjoy the day. And then Thursday night, we'll be talking about the snow in Chicago, and that's all headed our way by 11 o'clock midnight already into portions of western Ohio. So we're waking up with snow Friday morning for our northern communities. To the south, we've got the rain going on. The low is actually going to move in right across the central portions of the state. At times, we are going to nudge up the rain into that snow shield. So that's going to, of course, take down some of our snowfall totals. But as this curls out Friday evening, we turn into more of a lake effect event, and that's going to go on Friday night into Saturday. Now, of course, still too soon to call out numbers on this. You know the system's well out in the west, and any kind of track of this will change the numbers. Right now, you're going to obviously find the most snow to the north, lesser amounts to the south, because that's where the rain's going to be mixing in. And I also put this to 7 o'clock on Friday. We've got some lake effect snow, and that's where we're going to talk about the potential of shoveling out in spots in our lake effect communities. So yesterday we hit 39 degrees below, about 5 degrees of average, 44. We picked up 0.2 of an inch of snowfall. Akron Canton picked up a trace. So we'll see if we'll have an inch, 2 or 3 by the time Friday wraps up. Now, as we go through the day today and into tonight, these graphics are wrong. We've got temperatures back into the upper 30s and low 40s, and then 40 degrees tomorrow with cloud cover to start and then sunshine later on. We got that wintry mix going on Friday. Saturday, we'll have a few lingering snow showers in the morning possible, but that's
January.
But we're not.
I know. It's going to help, though, having daylight longer in the evening. That's going to be huge. That'll be good.
And maybe, just maybe, some of the school kids will get snow days. Who knows? It's hard to, I mean, but we know that it happens in March. I mean, we get those spring snowstorms all the time.
And
so
in April, too. So,
Yep.
Thank you, Jen.
Older.
it can happen.
Still ahead.
Because she knows better.
I know better because on March 20th, that was the day I was born, my parents were driving in a snowstorm to get to the hospital. So here in Northeast Ohio. So yes, I do know better. I was destined to become a meteorologist because of that. All right, here's a look at what's
Snow coming on Friday?
there's the potential after this always shifts. So we're going to keep an eye on it, and just that's the day to watch. Okay.